Hello friends, subscribe Technology and press the bell icon to never miss the updates. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to our channel Technology. So today in this video I'm going to show you guys how to fix mouse right click button is not working, so you just need to follow me. So first of all, what you have to do, you need to press Windows and R button together from your keyboard to open run box on your computer, and after open run box you have to type over there taskmgr. So I will give you the command on my video description, and after that press enter from your keyboard. Now you have to press down arrow key. If it is not working, to press tab button from your keyboard, and after that you have to select down arrow key and find Windows Explorer option. Okay, so press W. So here it is, as you can see, so it is selected. So now you have to press tab once again, 1 and 3 times, and after that, after selecting the restart, you have to press enter from your keyboard. If it is not working, then press space button. So as you can see, Windows Explorer is restarted. So now still if it is not working on your computer, then just press Windows and R button together from your keyboard once again to press to open run box on your computer, and after that type over there devmgmt.msc. okay, so after that press enter from your keyboard. So here is the device manager tool. So now you have to press tab button, and after that press down arrow key, and from here you have to select mouse and other pointing devices. So after selecting that option, you have to press right arrow key. So you have to select your appropriate mouse driver, and after selecting you have to press Shift and F10 button together. Okay, and you will get a window like this. So now you have to select here uninstall device and press enter. So now select uninstall once again and press enter. So do one by one if you have a 3 option like me. So I will do for all this. So after done, you have to press Alt and F4 together from your keyboard, and you will get a window like this. So you have to press down arrow key and select restart, and after that, after selecting restart option over there, you have to press enter. So after restart your computer, it will fix your problem. So I hope this small video will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button, and if you have any queries or questions, then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.